Number 82, we're doing more slurs, and this time we're slowing things way down. So each bow is going to be worth 4 beats. We're slurring half notes. So G, A, B. I'd like to play a game of how slow can we go for certain things, but we're not going to push it right now because we're learning a new skill. So this is where we're starting to slur with string crossings. You could do G to 4th finger for that A, but I think we're pushing to do the string crossings. So we're going to ease our way over to that A string so that you can feel that you've been taught this whole time to, as soon as we change strings, you alternate the bowing, but we're just going over. We are in G major, so we have a low 2 on the A and the E string. So let's do the notes. Let's pluck through first, so we can get it in our ear, and then worry about the bow. Ready, go. G, A, B, 2, 3, 4. C natural, low 2. D, B. Leave that B down because we're going to G. Back to B. D. Open E. E. G, F sharp, 2, 3, low 2, G, D, low 2, C, 2, 3, 4, B, C, A, 2, 3, 4, G, B, A, G, F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4. So take your time with this because there's a lot going on and we want it to be as smooth as possible. Our bow should just sound like a whole note the entire time. So let's take 82 with the bow. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, low 2. 2, 3,